Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, you can show me video. Remember to subscribe me. Now, what share? The best one say buy coffee ice cream. Yes, started. Who the 2 sachets of Nescafe begu adiemu. Who we are now with the hot water egumu. One mixing it together. We are not there see in chain. Who they see in chain no wape bowl. What they 1 cup powder milk egumu. 1 cup warm water. 1 mixing it together. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Now the half cup condensed milk akaho. No akoswa de amexi. Uwe pena cafe na udi see in chen we share de egumu. No one mixing it together. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are not going to ice cream cup mu, and that's why I want rubber mu. Would the aquose freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours, no. Now now I serve. Me much in the kind I share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now I me notification bell no. Send me the video be a better one sabeka. Me na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our coffee ice cream. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.